So I just got back from Israel a few days ago, and it was such a special trip. I learned so much about the culture. I heard incredible talks, how to become a better father, a better husband, and really got to learn the land in a whole different perspective now that I'm married with a family. It was a trip of highlights. And the last few days, people were asking me, so what stood out? What was unique about this trip? And I would answer them that with a lot of different highlights. We went up north, we went down south, Masada, the Dead Sea, Jerusalem. It was a very comprehensive trip. But to me, one of the highlights of the trip was standing at the hotel on Friday night with a diverse group of people. You're meeting hundreds of people you don't even know, so many different strangers. And it was just like we're here for one purpose, like a one common goal, to be together. And to be at the site of the Western Wall, the hotel, it was just so special. And while I was there, I was talking to a person, and this person who I didn't really know told me the following story. He said that there was an individual who went over to his rabbi, Rabbi Noach Weinberg, who was the dean of the yeshiva that overlooks the kotel, and he walked into the yeshiva and he says, Rabbi, you're not going to believe it. I just met the great-great-grandson of the Vilna Gaon, the famous rabbi who lived in the 1700s. And it was such an opportunity to meet someone who comes from such a dynasty, such a lineage. It was incredible. It happens to be this person really wasn't connected to Judaism anymore, but he had something that was so special. He was the great grandson of the Vilna Gaon, and the rabbi heard the story and he said, "I have something to tell you. You're not going to believe it, but 10 minutes before you came into this room, I just met the great grandchild of Abraham and Sarah." What an opportunity, the rabbi was telling him. I met such a person. And the rabbi was trying to teach him the following lesson, that we all come from greatness. We all are great grandchildren of Abraham, of Isaac, of Jacob. Do we appreciate that? And I think the answer is no. Being in Israel, meeting people of such diversity, of such different backgrounds, coming together, the achdut, with the unity, sharing their stories. It was like a brotherhood on the highest level. These are our brothers and sisters that we're able to meet. That, to me, was a highlight. That you don't get anywhere. So I hope that, yes, we learn many different lessons of how to become a better father, a better husband, a better person. If we could take that, bring it back home to Dallas, continue growing, learn those, or take those inspirational moments, and to make it not just something that is fleeting, but make it not just temporary, but make it consistent and make it continuous. That's something that I hope and I pray that we can continue doing, and we can learn from one another and build on that unity. And I want to wish you a Shabbat Shalom.